Good morning, Timothy Jensen with Jensen Transport. So it's been a really hot week out this week. So another thing to watch when it's really hot, when temperatures are normally stable throughout the year, normal range, you don't have a lot of problems with the heat. But when the heat starts to get up, I would say probably above 90 or even hotter, you've got the heat of the blacktop, the heat of the sun, the heat of the equipment, just going up and down the road, all that stuff. So there's a couple things to watch for when you're doing that. One of the things you need to watch for is when you have a little bit of streaking or something like that. Say this one does not have it, but if you're looking at your steer axle, there's a little vent in here to help all that oil and things vent while it goes up and down the road. So if you're getting a little bit of oil streaking or something like that on your steer axle, that is something to watch. Why is that? Because that oil expands as it gets hot, and if it's at a normal level and it expands up, up here, we're not really in a northern climate, but in Iowa, we're Midwest, we get the colds and the heat. So if it's a normal temperature range, it doesn't expand too much. But once it gets above 90 and stuff, it can expand out a little bit more, and it can push out through that vent. So if you're seeing a little bit of that out there, you may not have a bad seal or something like that. You may just need to wash the rim and then check the fluid level when you get done, when the temperature goes back down. So it's been above 90 today. This morning, I would say it's probably high 70s, low 80s. It's a beautiful day out here. So check your equipment, watch that stuff, and you don't really need to freak out about all that stuff. You just need to know what your temperatures are doing, what your environment you're working in, and what your equipment's supposed to look like in those conditions. So, hey, have a great day.